Hello everyone, it's Julie from Camellia Crafts Designs. Welcome back and welcome to my new subscribers. Right, straight away, this is just a flip through of this sticker book. So if you don't want to see a flip through of a sticker book, bye, see you next time. So this is especially for Deborah and Tanya, who both wanted to see a full flip through. I've been waiting to do this till I got some nice light. I just switched the camera on and it went dull outside, so I've still had to put the ring light on. I'm hoping it doesn't reflect too much. So anyway, here we go. It's the Botanists sticker anthology. It's currently £13.80 in the UK on Amazon. And I've still forgot to check how many pages it's got. If anyone wants to count them as a flip through, just put it in comments. And oh, I just even love the cover page. And yes. You saw me do, well, you may have seen me do a project with them recently. I use them like the Tim Holtz. Well, they're not even stickers, are they? Ephemera pieces. I stick them to some paper and then I cut them a little bit closer than they are already cut. Because, as you can see, I don't personally like that much white around a project. You see it now. You might like it, especially if you're doing planners or you just want them for Happy Mail. It might be right up your street. So I'm just going to flip through. I have no idea what these plants are, so I'm just going to go quicker because this video will take an hour if I keep going at this speed. So there we go, we've got some cacti. These are the backing pages. I'm even going to use those when I've done. Could make a journal from just those. More cacti. The colours are amazing, the quality is fabulous. Look at that. So rather than just the individual botanical stickers, you've got these antique looking letters, some frames, butterflies. Yeah, ferns, more butterflies. There's little insects scattered all the way through the book, which I think is absolutely brilliant. And then you've got these big pages. Like I mentioned, I'd like to put those behind the windows on window pages and things like that. I think they're a little bit too busy for my liking. I wouldn't like that amount of business. So you could even, I've not tried whether you can punch them, and I don't want to try it because I don't want to ruin my book. It's too perfect at the moment to go punching holes in. That's something I'll try in about 6 months. Yeah, look at that. Corals and seaweeds, lily pads, lilies. Yeah, I'm guessing the lilies on lily pads. Even an ant. I don't think I'll be using that. I get enough of those. I get ants in my house every year. They're very annoying. You know when they come in. From about March, April onwards, as soon as we have a heavy downpour, in the trot. And then off the trot again when I stick some ant powder down. Bye. Oh, look at that. That's really nice. I think I could live with that actually as a journal cover. That is a huge sticker. I'm going to grab a ruler. Where's a ruler? I had one out. It's gone. What's that all about? Grab another. Yeah, I ought to tell you its size of the book really, didn't I? That's 5 1/4 inches by 7 inches, the sticker. The actual book is 6 3/4 by 8 3/4. It's fabulous size. So I'm just going to keep going while I ramble. Apparently you like listening to me ramble. Very bright page there. I don't know what they are, no idea. Plenty of beetles, not the ones from the 60s. John Paul, Ringo and George, is it? Oh yeah, I mean, it's on the tip of my tongue what some of these flowers are called, but I still can't tell you. But a few caterpillars. Don't think I'd like them in a journal. I can see them ending up in bin. But the colours are just so vibrant and lovely. Oh, look at these. Beautiful. We're about not even a quarter of the way through this book yet. Then every now and again you get this page with frames and more letters. I love them. This is gonna, I make a project, then I decide what I want to put on as the focal point, and I start browsing through my existing digikits, I start browsing through books, I start browsing on Etsy. 3 hours later, I'm like, oh, I'm too tired now to finish that project. Put it in a box, never to be seen again. But this is actually helping me get more things done more quickly. If you didn't like, they're not shiny, they're less, like I've said, they're less shiny than Tim Holtz ones. You could just paint over them in matte medium, just to dull them down a bit. The colour still shows through with the matte medium. Look at that one. No idea what they are again. I'd be no good in a gardening programme, would I? Oh, these are pretty. It'll be like a woman's guide to flowers. These are red ones. Well, these are blue ones, purple ones. Ooh, orange ones. It's like cars. What kind of car were it? The red one. Eee. I love this. That would be lovely tea stained if it would tea stain. I think you could print a tea stain over it. Now that's something I'll try when I can bear to take the pages apart, which at the moment I still can't. Oh, little buzzy bees. Well, they could have been wasps. I'm going to call them bees. Look at these. I hope I'm not going too quick. I'm way to halfway through now, so I might slow down a little bit. I just like to, this just feels so nice. These little botanical stickers, by the way, were in my little Christmas present from Tania at Tatty Treasures. She bought me a lovely Edith Holden writing block. Well, not a block, it's a little case. Yeah, it has notes in and a little drawer and a lift up lid. It's gorgeous. I've never seen them before. I'm not going to digress and start showing you that. You can see where I took my roses from in my last project. Oh, I do like that. Look at these. Are these real flowers or are they made up? I have no idea. I'm going to be looking that up. They remind me of sticks of rock. Humbug flowers. More ants. Ooh. So as well as botanical, floral botanical, oh look at that one, I do like that. Again, that would make a nice journal cover as a background with some more collaging. Yeah, it'd be good if you're doing an entomology journal. You have to be careful when you open the pages too wide and flat, because the backing of some of the stickers starts to curl up a little bit. That's why, can you see I'm holding it up a little bit on this side. I don't want to ruin my book. I love it. Trees. Oh, look at that. I could decorate that up for Christmas. That's like that's going to be my Christmas tree this year. Ooh, acorns. Ooh. Ooh. You're just going to hear me say ooh a lot through this, aren't you? Because I'm like a monkey. Chimpanzee. Oh, I love the mushrooms. Ooh, again, don't know what that is. That looks pretty weird. I'm presuming it is a real mushroom from the mushroom kingdom, but I'm not up on my mushrooms. I like button mushrooms in my stir fry, and the big flat ones with a nice fry up breakfast. Oh yes. That's about as far as my knowledge on mushrooms goes. Oh, more mushrooms. Oh, this is going to be fabulous for autumn. I was saying this to Tania the other day at Tatty Treasures. Well, she said it to me first. She does associate mushrooms with autumn, and so do I. But I don't know. I remember when I was growing up, one house we lived at, we used to have mushrooms grow on garden, and my dad used to pick them and cook them for breakfast. They were like the button mushroom, the white ones. It's mad how they just pop up overnight. Yeah, I just skip past that one. It's making my eyes hurt. I can just imagine Tania going, ugh. Ugh, don't like that one. It's giving me a headache. I'm going to have to go and have a lie down. Stop laughing. Ooh, even spiders now. I'm not too keen on spiders, but I absolutely love these flowers. They look like nasturtiums. I only know that because I had some in garden. Some orange ones. Because they're very good at keeping insects from your other flowers. So I've got them planted next to my mint so they don't eat my mint. Although everything in garden's soon going to be next to my mint because it likes to take over. Oh, look, I do like that. Oh, I'd like that. I'd just cut that out with a die, I think, and then put another picture inside it. Perhaps a lovely lady. Ooh, I do like these. No idea what they are. They look very autumnal, don't they? There's some kind of catkin, or yeah, maybe. And more lovely butterflies. No hamsters. No giant hamsters. No giant hamsters this big. Grapes, lovely. I don't know what I'd do with that bunch of grapes. Perhaps crush it into wine. That's best use for a big bunch of grapes, isn't it? Oh, what's that? Is that a berry or some kind of flower? Don't know. Does look like we're onto fruits on this page. Berries and I don't know, maybe they're all poisonous, and if I were deserted on a tropical island and come across these, I'd be a goner in 5 minutes, wouldn't I? Oh, they look nice. Yum. I'm descending into silliness now. More grapes. That's a very strange looking cactus. I like it though. We've got loads of cacti. I always want to see cactuses. My daughter likes to collect them. We can't go to IKEA or Co-op without buying a little cactus. Her windowsill's littered with them. I've now got them on some glass shelves in my bathroom. But then I realised they weren't getting quite enough light, so I had to put them onto the bathroom windowsill. So, yeah, don't drop your toothbrush putting it back in holder now, or you'll get stabbed with a cactus trying to pick it up off windowsill. Oh, more mushrooms, flowers, butterflies. Oh, I like that's the classic red mushroom, isn't it? That's the one where you expect fairies to live, yeah? Little door in bottom. And we seem to be coming to the end. Did anyone count? If you did, please put your answer in comments. It may tell you on Amazon. I should have checked before starting to film, but that'd just smack of being organised, that, wouldn't it? That'd never do. Oh, I do love these daffodils. That's, yeah, Mother's Day daffodils. My birthday was on Mother's Day last year. It was the day before lockdown. So I have not had a birthday technically in lockdown yet. But maybe I will. Maybe us born on 22nd of March will be only people who never had a birthday in lockdown. You don't know, do you? Anyhow, there's the book. That's the back of it. Like I say, it does have an ISBN number. I think I might jot that on as well as the Amazon link for you, because you may want to look for it somewhere else, especially if you ladies in the US and some other countries. Yeah, so that's the book. I'm absolutely in love with it. I appreciate it might not be everyone's cup of tea. Speaking of cup of tea, I've got one here. Quick sip. But yeah, I love it. So, thank you very much for joining me, especially Deborah and Tanya. You better have watched well end, ladies. This one for you, you know. And I'll see you next time. Bye.